Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your pop-up camper with these easy steps. First, chop one wheel. Back of the tire and the front of the tire. Next, level the front to back with the tongue jack. If you need the camper to level side to side, you would use a leveling solution under the wheel that you did not chop. If your camper has a front storage compartment, now would be a good time to empty the contents. You would also want to turn on the LP bottles that would normally be here. Our little project camper doesn't have them on it right now. Next, undo the 4 roof latches. Raise the roof. Here I'm watching for the canvas to start to get taut. And that looks good. Lower your stabilizer jacks next. Remember, these are just for stabilization. They are not for leveling the camper. Pull your bed extensions out. Now during this step, I still have the door closed on the camper. This is so nobody can get in the camper and climb on the bed extension before I put the bed support poles down. Very important. Next we'll lower the bed legs, pull them from the clip, slide them forward, using your back, lift up, and place them on the bracket. Raise the bed bows. Find your shock cord hooks and attach them to the lashing hooks underneath the bed. Enter the camper. Raise the galley lift system. Install the shepherd hooks over the bed extensions. and set up the dinette system. Undo the straps on the leg close, open the legs, lock the bars. Install the bottom cushions. And the back cushion. Screen door goes into place. Release the strap securing it. And the clip at the front. Pull the screen door out of the front bracket. And slide it forward into position. Drop it into the door threshold. Align the lock tabs at the top and lock it in place. And go ahead and secure the canvas to the sides of the door frame. And that does it, folks. Pop-up's ready to camp. If you're at the campsite, you'd also want to hook up your shore power and your water if you're doing so. For information on setting up the awning, please take a look at my video, How to Set Up a Camper Bag Awning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you already haven't, and we'll see you at the campground.